2024 Best Motorcycle Brands in the World. Benelli TRK 702X. In the dynamic realm of motorcycles, the year 2024 brings forth a formidable contender that stands out among the best in the world, the Benelli TRK 702X. Hailing from the renowned Benelli stable, this adventure motorcycle has swiftly become a symbol of innovation, performance, and design excellence. Benelli, an Italian motorcycle manufacturer with a rich heritage dating back to 1911, has consistently pushed the boundaries of engineering and design. The TRK 702X is a testament to their commitment to delivering cutting-edge motorcycles that cater to the ever-evolving demands of riders worldwide. At the heart of the TRK 702X lies a powerful engine that exemplifies the brand's dedication to performance. The motorcycle is equipped with a robust twin-cylinder engine, delivering a perfect blend of power and efficiency. Whether conquering rugged terrains or cruising on the open road, the TRK 702X ensures a thrilling and responsive riding experience. Adventure enthusiasts will appreciate the off-road capabilities of the TRK 702X. With advanced suspension systems and durable components, this motorcycle is engineered to tackle challenging landscapes with ease. Riders can confidently explore diverse terrains, from gravel paths to rocky trails, knowing that the TRK 702X is designed to handle the rigors of off-road adventures. In terms of design, the TRK 702X captivates with its striking aesthetics. The motorcycle boasts a distinctive and aggressive look, characterized by sharp lines and a rugged demeanor. Benelli has meticulously crafted the TRK 702X, not only for its functionality but also as a visual masterpiece that turns heads wherever it goes. Technological innovation is another key aspect that sets the TRK 702X apart. The motorcycle is equipped with state-of-the-art features, including advanced navigation systems, connectivity options, and rider assist technologies. These features not only enhance the overall riding experience but also underscore Benelli's commitment to staying ahead in the competitive world of motorcycles. As riders seek motorcycles that embody a perfect synergy of power, performance, and style, the Benelli TRK 702X emerges as a frontrunner in the 2024 lineup of the best motorcycle brands globally. It stands as a testament to Benelli's legacy of excellence and innovation, offering riders an unrivaled adventure on two wheels. For those who crave the thrill of the open road and the excitement of off-road escapades, the Benelli TRK 702X beckons as the ultimate choice in the ever-evolving world of motorcycles.